In today's video, we are going to show you how to share a folder in pCloud. Whether you want to share with a friend, a client, or with your team, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and click the Go to My Account. This will forward you to your dashboard and the file manager. All I have to do is super simple. You see that this is going to be the folder sections. All right, so you have 3 folders right now, or in my case, I have 3 folders, and select the folder that you want to share. For example, I am choosing this one. There is a circle option here, and if you tick that, you would see there are multiple options on the top corner. And of course, all I have to do is click the share link. It's super simple, all right? Now, the share link has been copied to the clipboard, but you can't find the link, right? So, another option that you can do is uncheck that. Click the 3 dots icon instead. You see what will happen is click the share link. Go to the settings right here so that you would see the link that you wanted to share to. All right, copy that link. Send it to your team. If, for example, if you're working with a productivity platform like Trello, Monday.com, Slack, you can simply put it on the chat or on Discord. Or if you want, you can email, send it to social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Okay? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to share a folder in pCloud. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.